Okay, good morning guys. So I'm all up, dressed, and ready for school. Today is Friday, August 31st. It is 10:46 and I have my first class today on Friday at 11:15. So that's why I'm about to head to school now. Face wash, everything, clean glasses, my lips. I'll show you my outfit. My bed's even made, y'all. Hey Simba. So what I have on is just this top I got from JCPenney's. It's one of their workout, the X line, Lululemon skirt, and my Birkenstocks. And I'm gonna go get a smoothie first on campus before I head to class. So that's where we're gonna go now after we hit the beer line, as always. So bye Pit, bye Simba, love you guys. Have a good day. So I'm late to class. It's 11:17. Class started at 11:15, but I got my smoothie. Orange sunrise. Okay, so I'm back at school. I feel like this lighting is like really dark. I don't know what, it's weird. Anyways, yeah, I just attempted to do my eyebrows, mascara, and I put this concealer on my lids. I look trash. I'm not gonna go there. Anyway, so I can record this video. Okay, so I just recorded 2 videos. I did my college essentials video and I did my college advice video. So I've done both of those. I'm gonna try to edit those this weekend, get those bad boys up, and yeah, right now it is 3:15. I still have to go to the store to get Buddy dinner food. I have the game tonight at 7, so that means I'm gonna get there about like 6. But like I said, I have the game tonight, soccer game that I have to report on, do the post review, like do the recap afterwards and interviews and stuff. So we'll see how this goes. And I don't really have any plans at all tonight, actually. Like, I have no plans tonight. What am I talking about? So I'm probably just gonna chill. Yeah, so like last night I just chilled with my friend. Like, I just chilled, I had a good time, I relaxed. I really want to do that again tonight, but I don't know if they're free. Hopefully, we'll see. I just like need my car to get down here like now so I can get a job, so I can make money, because y'all, I tell you, like, something about this semester, I feel broke. I feel poor. Like, y'all, I feel like I have like $1 in my bank account like every day, and I get more money from like my parents, but it's like it just disappears. Like, I don't know what is going on. If I'm being like completely honest with y'all, if we want to be like real blunt, we want to be open on this channel, like, y'all, I don't know what's going on in my life. It feels like I'm just struggling. I'm gonna go eat some ice cream. That sounds really good. So we're gonna go eat some Oreo ice cream. Ooh, oh my god, also I forgot to tell you guys, I don't know if I did, but I made the club soccer team here at my school. So anyway, so that's gonna be fun. So I have practice on Mondays, Wednesdays, and stuff. I don't know, you guys. Like, I feel kind of all over the place. I'm just kind of ready to hurry up, go to this game, get it over with, and come back and go to bed. Yeah, so really, like, the mode, the motive, the, like, what we're doing, like, our vibe, our goal for this, like, school year is just, we're just living our best life, you guys. Like, I'm just really not focusing on things I can't control, just, like, enjoying myself, like, focus on what I can, like, being the best me, like, not dwelling on nothing, and just not taking crap from nobody. And it's just really important for me, because I do that a lot. I dwell a lot. I take crap from people and everything, and like, I get down about this and that, but like, I'm like, I'm branching out. Like, I'm about to really just like beef up my like Instagram and like take pictures, and like, when I look nice, like, really just work on myself, like, just, you know, like, enjoy my life, you know. And like, those that want to be in my life can, those that don't, like, and that's okay. And that's just like honestly where I'm at. Like, I honestly just like want to just like be done, you know, with like college, and have made memories and have had fun, and just like, you know, I don't know, I'm just learning like to be like, which I talked about like my advice video, was like, if I make a mistake, I made a mistake. Like, I can't dwell on it, live in the moment, like, have fun. Like, I don't live in the moment at all. Like, I think too far into the future. I think too much. Like, I can't do that no more. Like, I don't want to miss out on stuff that's happening now, and worried about the future, that like those things can never even happen, because like you can't plan your future. So that's that. And just like really finding myself, accepting myself for who I am, like being proud of who I am, and just like branching out, like putting myself out there, like taking pictures and putting them out there on Instagram, like doing stuff, you know. Like, I do the YouTube, like really doing it, you know what I mean? Like, just really like, this is who I am unapologetically, and just like, hello. So like that's that. Pretty much a little like rant about like my life, and like I'm working out. I'm about to be working out. I'm about to be, you know, like putting myself out there, meeting people. Like I'm about to create this like brand for myself. I'm about to create who I am. Like I'm just like, I'm excited. I feel like I have like this huge just like blank canvas that I can just make and turn into just like anything that I want. And I like that, you know, like I don't know, like talk about this, I'm about to cry. Like I'm just gonna start thinking for myself, being who I want, and like being happy, you know. And like if I'm with someone or whatever and it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. And if it may supposed to be there, it'll come back. But like honestly, like say those things and mean it, you know what I'm saying? Like say it and mean it, and just like create the best me I can, and just like look at myself and be like, I did that. So oh my god, so yeah, that's me, that's Kennedy. This is a new me, you guys, and I'm excited for you guys to see who I am. I'm excited to see who I am, and I'm excited just to be me and be happy and just live a free life. Like I'm excited, I'm pumped, I'm ready. So now I'm about to unload the dishwasher and then do the dishes because I have lots, and eat ice cream because that's what I do. I like, think it makes me happy. So I just put on my Glam Glow face mask, and yeah, it's the Super Mud cleansing treatment mask by Glam Glow, and it's hardening, so yeah. And I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna put on my Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminizing Moisturizer Hydrant afterwards in Nude Glow. So yeah, so 20 minutes is up. This is how it looks. You can like see my pores, you guys. Look at that. Like, good morning, guys. Today's the next day. It's September 1st, Saturday, and basically I just had a kind of rough night. I'm not even gonna lie. Had a little pity party, feeling bad about myself, comparing myself to other people and stuff, and I'm just like, you know what? Woke up and I was like, whatever, what happens happens, you know. Can't control the future, can't control how God created somebody and created me, so I'm just gonna focus on what I can. Easier said than done, but basically I'm just up right now and I'm about to head. I just fed the bunnies. I'm about to go wash my face, brush my teeth. I'm about to make some oatmeal, and then I'm gonna head over to the gym, and I'm gonna get a workout in because I need to, because I feel better when I work on myself and just like not focus on other people. So that's where we're at, people. So like I said yesterday, I'm just trying to really just focus on myself, be my best, live my best life, and I just need to work. So I decided to go ahead and also just make myself some eggs since I was already up, so I'm just gonna eat both of these and then head out to the gym. So I'm here at the gym, baited. I'm about to use it real quick, and then I'm gonna go work out. Yeah, guys, that's what I'm here to do. I'm gonna run first. I'm probably gonna do like 2 miles actually, and then work out. So yeah, workout done. 2.5 hours later, y'all. I ran for 15 minutes. Like that was like 5 miles, and then I worked out for an hour. So yeah, legs are dead. Let's walk back to my apartment. And so it's Sunday. I'm coming to you live, ratchet and raw from my bed. Have not woken up. I'm woken up for a couple hours now, but I have not brushed my teeth. I have not washed my face. Like, I'm sick. Okay, so give me a break. I'm in my room by myself. It's just me and baby Simba. So, Simba's my bunny, by the way, not my baby, in case you're wondering. But, yeah. Anyways, so basically, I just thought I'd vlog real quick just to let you know how I'm struggling. Today's Sunday, September 2nd. It is 1:59 p.m. and I don't feel well. Yeah, I'm just watching this girl's vlog. I really like her. Issa, I think I said. Y'all should really check her out. Like, her videos are really good. She's a freshman at University of Georgia, and like, she's like really good personality. Like, she's just really like happy and positive. Like, I like her videos a lot. Like, she makes me happy when I'm being motivated, and she's like very positive. So check her out. But anyways, I'm watching that, and I'm just in bed. Hopefully my friend will hang out with me today. Oh my god, because I'm tired of being by myself. But oh, look, bro, when I put my scarf on, my little baby hairs, my edges, they be trying to be cute. Okay, I feel you. Yeah, see my letters? They're so cute. I just felt like vlogging and talking, and I don't know why, because I definitely don't feel. Update, my college advice video is done. It's downloading to my laptop, then I'll upload it to YouTube. It's now 3:48 in the morning. So like 2 hours later now, I'm eating chicken stir fry and Oreo ice cream with with Mrs. Field cookies and cheesecake. So if I'm not craving, I'm tempted to go get my Sprite. I got some water here in the good old hydro flask, so, but I really am tempted to go get a Sprite. But you know, I'm just gonna eat this and drink some water. Once I do, usually my craving goes away and I'm lazy and I ain't going to get up and go get it. So I'm just gonna probably watch some more Shameless. And yeah. Good morning, guys. Today's a new day. Today is Monday, September 3rd. It's Labor Day, so I don't have school today. And it is 10:11 and I'm getting ready because my friend Amaris will be here to pick me up at about 10:45 or so. So I'm just gonna get dressed. My cousin's making breakfast and everything. Yeah, so so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and pack my bag. I'm actually gonna bring my backpack and just like look at some work while I'm there because yeah, I'm kind of like feeling a little more energized better, but I don't feel sick well better. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do right now and check the weather and stuff because I don't know how hot or cold it is. So, well, hot mostly. Anyways, yes, it is morning time. Hi, my name is Kennedy. I'm a junior here at Missouri State University. Welcome to my vlog. Yes, so if you're new, go ahead and subscribe down below to join and be part of the Kin Club. And I hope everyone has a bright day today. That's what it was. And I gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear. Oh, I'll probably hope if I check the weather first. But yeah, I think I might wear my camo shirt and my biker shorts. Sounds like a move with my old schools. That's really a move. So I'm headed down. My friend Amaris is here. This is what I'm wearing. I didn't know it till I read the tag after I bought it. Biker shorts. These are actually from Walmart and my Vans. Here we go. La Boba. So I'm gonna do the make your own cookies and cream, and I'm vlogging for my YouTube channel. You got a YouTube channel? Yeah. You say hi. This is Amaris. Wait, let me. Give me some. Yes, and Oreo topping. So yeah.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy.
I got the cookies and cream with a little bit of chocolate chips on top with whipped cream. Yes.
1 hour later.
Dinner is served. Yes. Out here at the movies. So. Oh, can't walk sore. Yeah. About to see Black Klansman. Yeah. Here, heading to the movie. I didn't get any snacks because I'm being cheap, being smart, saving my money. But they got popcorn and slushes. Me and Brittany didn't get nothing though, but you know, was really tempted to, but I didn't make that move. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's now 1:21 in the morning. Like I just got back to my apartment about maybe 10 minutes ago. I'm running the bath. We just were up watching videos and just like talking and chilling after the movie. The movie was really good. Recommend it. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, drink a Sprite. Take a bath, drink a Sprite. I have class tomorrow. I have math lecture, and then I have my history class. So I just got out of my bath. if I'm being honest, like I'm just having just like a like ending to my night. Like I don't know. Like, do you ever just get like, it might be that time of the month, but TMI, but where you just get so much just like, like you just get sad, like so overwhelmed, and it's like you just want to cry. Like that's honestly just like how I feel. Like so many like emotions right now. Like I'm just like upset, I'm irritated, I want to go off on people. Like I don't know. I can't even control it. Like I can't even go to bed. Like I'm the kind of person that have to go to bed like when I'm at peace. I'm at like clear mind. Like I can't go to bed like angry, upset, aggravated without like a piece of like type of closure. Like it's weird, but I'm just in the process of washing my face right now. Basically, like I'm so irritated and just like to the point where like I'm making myself hot. Like I'm like sweating. Like I think I'm just gonna like clean, or maybe that'll help, because like maybe cleaning will make me feel like I've got something done, got my life together. I don't know. Like y'all, like I'm like hot now, like I'm burning up, I'm sweating. I think it's like the anxiety, and then like because I'm just anxious, I'm just getting depressed. Like I can't even pinpoint the exact thing. Like I kind of can. Boys are annoying. But like I think I just really just need to like not talk to people anymore, just like stay to myself. I'm just so annoyed. I think I just came into like this, I came into this idea when I moved back of how things are supposed to go, and they're not going that way, and I'm just really irritated. And I've got school tomorrow, and I'm irritated because I'm behind because I was sick last week, so I'm pissed. And